Yes, it's a chicken.
Chicken.
Look at Ate Yuri. We're going to go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Yui, show it, Yui. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Ukayan.
Mama, I want this one. Oh, okay.
Ay, sorry po. Wow.
Mama, I want that. I want that. Mama, I want this one.
You choose.
This one.
Ayan guys, may mga bags din sila dito. And shoes. A lot of shoes. Patingin ng design.
I want this.
So
I want
cute.
this. I want this one.
Nahulog na oh. Okay guys, kakain muna kami sa mga inasal. Dinner. Yan na! Itong order namin. Sinain na yung egg. Unlimited. Natapon na. Wala pa yung order nila palabok. Kain. Order nila. Palabok. Ayan, mag-grocery muna kami. Mabilisan lang.
Pwede na.
Yung no sa kanila? Yung no sugar, di ba meron? So, eto kila Yuri. Nido. December pa yung expiration. Quick grocery na. Ano gusto niya? Chucky or Dutch Mill? Which one? Chucky or Dutch Mill? Si Daddy Quaker for breakfast. Kuha tayo ng Sterilize. Yui ka po. Okay, let's go. Sasabon tayo. You want some Oreo?
Yeah.
na. Ayan na. Hindi na alam ang gagawin. Ayan. Tumayo na yung isa. Ayan na.
Itong gummy.
Oo. Yan. This one, gummy, oh. Saan daw? Ayan. Magkano? Oo nga. Vitakills. Sa sabon. Come on. Dark yan. It's dark. Mapait. No. Yeah. This one. Ayan. Happy. Coming. Sabon tayo. Sabon. Kuha muna tayo ng tissue.
Slippery the floor.
Yeah, slippery.
What? You ruined the video.
Colgate merchandiser, Colgate merchandiser, clear section please. First, all Charlie merchandisers, are seated please naman. Tide powder. Asan ang Tide? Ayun, dun tayo sa Tide.
What?
Tide Garden Bloom. Where is it? This one. Ayan, ito tayo ng dalawa. And then, excuse me, bebe. Asan yung Downy? Downy. Garden Bloom. Downy. Ayan. Downy. Ito yung hinanap kong tissue. Wait lang, babe. Tissue. Ito. Tissue. Sanity yan. Come here. Where's that? Oops.
Ito lang.
Yung ano na dito na 127. Yung malaki. Garden Bloom. Hindi. Ito lang, 127. Sabon. Irish. Sige, kuha ka isa.
Just one toy, please. Just one toy. One toy.
Original. Dun yata, meron pa dun eh. Yan. How much?
Just one toy, please.
Tama ba?
Ayun. 3 pieces. Kukuha ako ng ano, yan na? Aloe vera? Original.
Game set.
Isang peraso. Ayan. Ayan. Sige. Oh, mabango. Tapos, safeguard. Isa lang. Okay, you have what? What do you have? Like, ayan. Masyado palang naka-zoom. Next. ID. Diaper ni Yona pala. Dito. Tayo ng diaper ni Baby Yona. So, ang kinukuha ko ay EQ pants. Patay ng oyster. And then, black pepper. Ground.
Black pepper.
Yes, yung ground. This one, ground. Okay. May chaki kayo. Bumila. Let's go. Ayan, lemongrass. Pamuin mo nga, baka pandan yan. Pandan. Meron pa naman tayo doon. Okay, we'll go home na guys. Yun guys, tapos na kami. Pauwi na kami. Punta na kami sa parking lot. Yui, say hi!
Hi!
Tapos ng grocery. We're here na. Kami na lang ang natira. Tadaan! Wala nang natira. Kami na lang. Ayan, nakauwi na kami. So, quick haul lang tayo. Unahin ko na tong orange. Dalawa. Kay daddy yan. And then, nandito yung iba. Nido. Para kila Yui. Then, Jelly Ace. And then, wheat bread. Cream O. And Quaker. Breakfast ni Daddy. And then, yan yung kay Yui. Kit Kat.
And Oreo.
Yum Yum. And then, ano isa? Kinder Bueno. Yan. And then, sa diaper ni Yona.
Can I eat the toy?
This one, Sweet Baby. Try lang namin. May free siya.
Mama, my apple.
Yan. And then, yung dalawang Tide powder. Garden Bloom. Yan. Dalawa. And then, sa kabila, yung Birch Free. Ayan, no sugar added. It's for Daddy.
That's from Daddy.
Yes, gatas Daddy.
Egg.
Yes.
Daddy milk.
Yes. Where's your milk? Where is Yona's milk? Where?
It's hide here.
Yes. And we have Chucky. Put it there, my loves.
Mama,
And then,
apple.
yes. Star corned beef. Then, bumili din ako ng aking Coke Zero. Maliit lang. And then, suka, paminta, cheese, para sa wheat bread. And then, soy sauce. What else? Bumili din kami ng hot dog. Ayan. See? Picnic with cheese. Ilagay mo nga to sa sa fridge. Thank you. And then, yung aking sterilized. What else do we have? Bumili din ako ng oyster. Open mo. And then, lastly, sa sabon, Downy Garden Bloom. And then, tissue. And shampoo nila Yui. And then, sabon ni Daddy. Irish. And then, shampoo ni Mommy and Daddy. And Safeguard. So, that's it, guys.
That's the end of the video.
What will you say, Yui?